Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Muck from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. So we move over to the left side, we draw a curve. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve in, and then down on the inside of the eye. Let's leave a gap and draw the same thing on the right. So we line up the inside of the eyelid, curve up, and then out. Now we're going to curl in the inside of the eyelid. Starting from the left, we're going to come in and then up, go to the right, and go and do the same thing. Now in between, we're going to draw another curve. Starting from the left, we're going to curve up and then down. Now let's move to the outside of the eye. From the left, we're going to step in, curve out, and then back in. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's curve up and in towards the inside of the eyelid. So starting on the left, we're going to come in, up, do the same thing on the right side. We're going to push two small pupils up towards the top of the eyelid. Starting from the left, we're going to draw a small half circle and fill that in black. And do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to add a wrinkle on the inside of the eye. Starting from the left, curve down and then out. Now let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to line up with the outside edge of the eye on the left. We're going to curve down in the middle. Now we're just going to come across to right about there. From here I just want to curve out and then down towards the bottom. Now let's go to the outside, come down and then out. We're going to round out the bottom corner of the mouth and then come back in. Now we want to connect these 2 points with a curve. We're going to go up and then across. Let's draw on the right side of the mouth. In line with the top on the left, we're going to step over, curve in, and then back out. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a half circle, going out and then back in. Let's add the tongue in the inside of the mouth. Starting from the bottom corner on the left, curve up and across, in behind that line, go to the right side and curve down. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's work our way around the side of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, we're going to draw a half circle, going up towards the top of the head. We're going to bring that down on the right side. And then from here, we're going to curve down and out. So let's go to the left side. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to curl this around and back in. Let's step in and draw another curve. From left to right, we're going to go up and then back down. Now we move over towards the left and draw on the left arm. Starting on the side of the head, curve out and up towards the wrist. We're going to bend the hand coming down. So we're going to round out the top and then come down towards the bottom. Now we're going to pull this back up towards the edge of the thumb. And we draw another curve, coming down and then back up. Now let's draw on the outside of the arm. Underneath the hand, I'm going to curve down and out. We're going to round this out and then pull that back in. Now I'm going to add a drip mark on the bottom here. Starting from the left, we'll curve down and then up. Now let's move to the right and draw on the right arm. In line with the right eye, on the side of the head, we're going to curve up, then bend down the hand. I'm going to round out the hand, and then go back up. Let's curl around the thumb. From here we're going to curve out and down, round out the bottom of the thumb, and then go back up. Now underneath the hand, I'm going to curve down and out. I'm going to round this back out, and then go up. Let's add a drip mark, curve down, and then back up. Now we're drawing the outside of the arm. Starting at the bottom of this curve, come down and out. We're going to do the same thing we did on the left. Bend this around and then back in. Now we're going to add another fold underneath the arms. Starting on the left side, curve around. I'm just going to pull that in and up. Now I'm just going to flatten this out. Just blend into a curve coming in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the bottom of the arm, curving out and then in. Now we're going to come up and then flatten that out. Let's add a wrinkle in the center. Starting from the left side, curve in and down. I'm gonna round this out, go back up, and I'm gonna flatten this out towards the right. Now we're gonna close off the bottom of the body. Starting from the left side, curve out, and we're just gonna pull that in. Now we do another bump. We're gonna curve this out, round out the bottom, and then go up on the right side. Let's flatten this out, curving out. Now I'm gonna go all the way around and then in behind this curve. So go straight out, round it out, and back in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Muck from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.